Hey everyone, I have two announcements before you watch this video today. The first announcement is that I am now selling hair accessories on Etsy, so make sure to check out my new Etsy page, Style by Color Accessories on Etsy. And the second huge announcement is that I am having a virtual meet and greet this Friday the 18th at 4 p.m. Pacific time. You can find the links in the description down below or go to fundo.town/Hannah Forcier. The Be Yourself official video chat will be focused on just that. Being yourself is so important to living your best life and being as happy as you can be. Join me and a small group of fans to chat about life and be a part of a live virtual Q&A. Back to the video. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you 12 no heat hairstyles that are some of my favorite. You can do all of these hairstyles, curly, not curly. These looks would also look good whether you have bangs or not. Let's do it! video today. I had so much fun researching all of these different hairstyles. So let me know which one was your favorite, which one is your go-to in the comments down below. And you can also buy this shirt at hannahforcier.shop. It comes with a skirt. It's pretty cute. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!